about, I think maybe we should get into more detail about what it takes to qualify.
Yes,
What do
ma'am.
the veterans businesses need to know and have at the ready in order to make that first hurdle so they can get into this program?
Okay, so what you're going to have to do here is you have to get certified. So you're going to have to go. The way you do that is there's a handy link right here on the GSA Access page that takes you to your state surplus officer.
Mhm.
You can find yours here. I'll go through North Carolina right there. The other way you do this is you just Google it.
The VA.gov,
Well,
the
it's
SBA.
no, it's kind of hidden. It's not intuitive. I find that it's easier if you start here with your state surplus officer. They're all a little different, but they've all got a federal surplus property page.
Mm-hmm.
And you come down here, and they will usually almost always have a link in here to program eligibility. So it'll show who it is, just like this one right here. And it says who it is. All of them I've been to have the link to the Veteran Small Business Enhancement Act. Now it's this website right here that you have to go to. And if you can't remember, it's VA VIP. If you just Google VA VIP, that'll also get you there.
Okay.
So that takes you here to this portal, which is completely not set up for a normal veteran-owned small business. What is vetbiz.va.gov, but if you Google VA VIP, it comes up.
Yeah. Okay.
What this entire site is set up for is to register and do business with the Veterans Affairs as a contractor. Okay, fine. It is what it is. You click on your vendor information page, and then you just get started. Right here on the help page, and then you go. It's going to take you through a whole online application where you have to provide a whole lot of documentation that makes absolutely no sense for something like a farm. It's going to, you're going to get certified to be a VA vendor.
Yeah.
You're going to have to get a DUNS number. You're going to have to get a SAMS number. But there are instructions on the page for doing that. And you're going to have to give them, financial statements, proof of ownership. It's not a fast process either. It took me about 6 months to get through it. Now, I'll tell you, it's got a lot of secondary benefits, that little letter, because most of the states will also accept that letter as a veteran service disabled veteran-owned small business. They'll accept that for also registering you as a historically underutilized business in the state, which has some separate benefits from a state perspective.
So a startup business that may not have a significant financial statement yet would have difficulty qualifying, do you think?
No, I did mine when I was only in the first year of business, and same way. You just had to lay that out when you submitted it. I just attached another document, said, "Hey, I'm in my first year of business. I'm only doing this to get certified as a veteran-owned small business. I don't want to do business with the VA. Here's my finance. Here's what I got." And the auditor that goes through the documentation was like, "All right, that works."
Okay.
So yeah, it is not, again, not user friendly. But you go through all of this, and it takes about 6 months, but well worth it on the back end.
All right.
After you get your letter from them, then you send that to your state surplus officer, and then they give you access to GSA, to the GSA website. Your other option is you can get this stuff directly from the state. We talked about the state keeps a few things in stock.
Yeah.
So for instance, North Carolina has these, and this might give you an idea of some of the service charges if they go pick it up for you, of what these things would cost.
Yeah.
And even if they went and picked it up and warehoused it, and you got it from, I mean, 20-foot shipping container for $1,000. That's not a bad day.
Mhm.
Vans, tires, they keep quite a bit of different stuff, and every state is different. If you want to, if you Mercedes G-Wagon or I don't know where they got that from. Here's a full-on mobile kitchen trailer, $1,800. If I was a farmer who had a poultry operation or
Yeah.
something along those lines, who needed a certified kitchen, like a commercial kitchen,
Mhm.
I'd go for one of these MKTs. But yeah,
This
that
is
thing's
North
1,800
Carolina.
bucks.
I've got a chicken farmer in North Carolina. We just bought the Featherman plucking thing.
Yeah. If
System.
you needed a kitchen, a full-on, stainless steel, everything there, MKT.
So he would just need, he wouldn't need necessarily to have finished the 6-month process to qualify. He could just go to his
Nope.
state, which is North Carolina.
Nope, you're not eligible for any of this until you've got your certificate.
Oh, so we have to do this whole 6 months. Okay.
Yeah, that's first. Now I'm told it's getting faster.
Okay.
We'll see.
Yeah, but then we're gonna move it over to SBA.
Right. Also, I've heard in 2023 it's going to move to SBA. So, who knows? But you can see, generators. That's a dual 10K generator for $2,800. So this should give you an idea of, their service charges on the different things.
Yeah. Okay.
So, that's why I wanted to walk you through it and get the questions. And I'm hoping, what I'll do is I'll turn this into a video for my YouTube channel, and then I'll share this out. And I just want to get more veterans aware of this program.
Exactly. I mean, we have a long list of veterans who we've helped in the past. They probably need more stuff too. So I would certainly put something on our closed Facebook page for everybody who's already received something from Workforces for Vets, and they can find out more about the process. And
I've got a list for my farm, and I'm just working down the list. I'll see it, I'll find it. A forklift is my next one, because what I want is some ISU 90s and 20-foot containers, which I always see on here. My problem is I don't have any way to get them off. You get them off the truck.
We've had to get a couple of forklifts, very expensive used machinery, and we've had a hard time finding stuff. But,
if I get forklifts, next I'll get containers, and then containers are priceless. So
right. Okay, and I really appreciate you being a resource for our applicants too, and for us. To help them figure out the process too. That's great.
And I'm happy. I'll post this on YouTube, and I'm happy if anybody wants to reach out to me either in the comments section or just send me a message through my webpage through Secret Garden Bees here in outside Fayetteville, Fort Bragg, North Carolina. I'll help anyone who needs help.
Great. And if we can maybe put it up on our website too, so that people can be directed to.
Great.
System. That's great.
Well, Kathy, if I've answered your questions, and if you think I've given a thorough enough brief here, I'll wrap this one up.
I think that's great. And we were happy to help it get started, but there's a lot of details to it, of course, and this has really been helpful, I think, for anybody who's interested in doing this. And veterans certainly deserve every bit of help that we can get them.